Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Okay, first we'll start with the textbook. First we'll read the textbook, then we'll write the classwork. Okay, here this is the textbook. Say anan, pomegranate. Say amrut, Goa. Say am, mango. Say fire. Say anar, pomegranate. Say amrut, Goa. Say am, mango. Say fire. Say imali, tamarind. Say imarati, imarati. Say eek, sugarcane. Say Isa, Jesus. Say ullu, an owl. Say ustara, erasol. Say un, ulan. Say un, camel. Say rishi, a saint. Say edi, a hill. Say iktara, a musical instrument. I say ainak, spectacles. I say Airavat, elephant. O say Okkali, mortar. O say Odani, a whale. Au say Aurat, woman. Au say Aushadi, medicine. Say Angur, grapes. Say langur, and apple. Aha. Okay. Children, you should have the textbook and you have to read. You should keep the textbook front of you and read. This is last year textbook what you have got. In first standard you have got the textbook now. Same textbook you have to read. Okay. So here, say anar, pomegranate. Say amrut, Goa. Say am, mango. Say fire. Say imali, tamarind. Say imarati, imarati. Say eek, sugarcane. Say Isa, Jesus. Say ullu, an owl. Say ostara, erasol. Say un, ulan. Say un, and camel. Say rishi, a saint. Say edi, heel. Say iktara, a musical instrument. I say ainak, spectacles. I say Airavat, elephant. O say Okkali, mortar. Say Odani, a whale. Say Aurat, woman. Say Aushadi, medicine. Say angur, grapes. Say langur, and apple. Aha. Okay. Now see here, last class we have learned, last two classes we have learned this Varnamala. Varnamala means there are two types of letters. One is Swar and another one is Vyanjan. Swar means R2, and Vyanjan means Patu, Sha. Okay, see here, Swar and Vyanjan. These two letters are called Varnamala. Meaning the full of this Atoksha is called Varnamala. See ya. This is second standard textbook. See ya. This is second standard textbook. In this textbook, if you open in the first page, you can see here the Hindi alphabets, Varna Mala, swar and vowels. These full letters are called Varnamala. Okay. In this Varnamala, there are two types of letters, swar and Vyanjan. Swar means vowels, Vyanjan means consonants. These two letters, see ya? A, E, U, R, E, I, O, Au, Aha, Vyanjan, consonants, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sh, Sha, Sa, Ha, Sh, Tra, Nya. Okay, read once again. A, E, U, R, E, I, O, Au, Aha, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sh, Sha, Sa, Ha, Sha, Tra, Nya. Okay, this is your textbook. You have to read every day. Okay. Today we'll start the classwork. Dear children, this is your classwork. 192 pages classwork. In this classwork, you have to make two parts. Like this, you have to take the print page. Like this, you have to fold the sheet and write on that. Like this, the book is. In this, you have to make two parts. Here, you have to write Hindi homework and here is Hindi classwork. Okay, one is Hindi classwork and one side is in the homework. Here, you have to write. This is single line, but you have got double line book. You have to write in the double line book, not with the single line book. This is single line, but you have to write with the double line. You have got double line book for Hindi. Okay, you have got double line book for Hindi. Take the book, take the pink page and make the part like this. Fold the sheet and write on that Hindi homework. One side homework and one side classwork. In the same book, one side classwork and another side is homework. Okay. Now see here. Like this, you have got the book, double line book. You have got double line book. In that book, you have to write. You have to write neatly. Ask your parents to draw the line and make you write. See here, touch the line and write curve like this. Okay, touch both the lines and write curve like this. Two curves. Then slipping line, then standing line, then again slipping line. This is A. What letter is this? A. A. Say anar. You should not draw the picture in the classwork. Just to show the picture, I have drawn the picture here. Okay, you should not draw the picture in your classwork. You have to write only the letters full page. Okay. A. Say anar. Pomegranate. Again, touch those two lines and write curve, half curve, and another half curve like this. Then slipping line, then standing line. If you write just like first A only, it looks. Then for this, one more standing line, then slipping line. Then it looks. After writing one more standing line, then this becomes A. Okay, don't touch this line to the curve. You should not touch the line to the curve. You have to draw the line like this. Slipping line should touch only to the standing lines, not to this curve. Okay. Say mango. Say anar, pomegranate. Say mango. Again, small standing line. Then S. Then slipping line. E. What letter is this? E. E say Imali. Okay. E say Imali. A say anar. A say E say Imali. Now second E also same like first E. How we have written? Like that only. You have to write second E also. See? Standing line. S. Top like this. Then slipping line. Then above this, you have to write curve like this. E. E say eat. Excuse me. E say eek. Sugarcane. Okay. Now same like how you have written. Like that only you have to write oo also. But for oo there is no standing line. Curve like this. One more curve. Take up. Then sleeping line. Only so much. Okay. O. O say ullu. O say ullu and owl. See here? A say anar, a pomegranate. A say a mango. E say imali, tamarind. E say eek, sugarcane. U say ullu and owl. Like this only, you have to write full page. Don't draw the pictures in your classwork. You should not draw these pictures. Only you have to write the letters. Okay, see here. Touch this line and write curves like this. Then slipping line. Then standing line. Then again slipping line. Okay, touch these two blue lines. You have got two double line book. You have not got single line book. You have got double line book for the Hindi classwork and homework. In the same book, you have to write homework also and classwork also. Okay. As say anar. Again, touch the line and write curves, two curves. Then slipping line. Then two standing lines. Then slipping line. Okay. A say mango. Standing line. S. Then slipping line. E. E say imali. Tamarind. Then one more. Standing line. S. Again slipping line. And again, above the line, you have to write a curve like this. E. E say eek. Sugarcane. Then touch this line and write curve. Another half curve. Take slant up. Up, you have to take little bit slant like this. Then slipping line. O. O say ullu and owl. Like this you have to write. Slipping line, standing line, again slipping line. A say anar, a pomegranate. A say mango. Slipping line, standing line. E. E say imali, tamarind. E से eat, sugar cane. U से ullu, an owl. Touch the line and write neatly. A से anar, a pomegranate. A से आम, a mango. E से इमली, tamarind. E से eat, sugarcane. U से ullu, an owl. Okay, see here once again. A से अनार, pomegranate. A से आम, mango. E से इमली, tamarind. E से eat, sugarcane. U से ullu, an owl. In first page only you have to write 4 letters, not more than that. You should not add up one more letter. I have written only 4 letters. Even you have to write only 4 letters in your classwork as well as in your homework. You have to write the homework also. See, make the part in this like this and write homework this side. Okay, you have to write one full page homework. And here you have to write one full page classwork. Both in the same book. You have got double line book. Keep double line book for Hindi homework and classwork in the same book. Okay. See here. A से अनार, pomegranate. A से आम, mango. E से इमली, tamarind. E से eat, sugarcane. U से ullu, an owl. Before starting the class, you should be ready with your textbook. See, this is first standard textbook. You have already got last year. This book also, before the class starts, you should be ready with this book and this book. This book is second standard textbook. They are given swar and vyanjan letters like this. In this, with the picture, it is there. So you have to read with the pictures. Here, you have to read with the pictures. Here, once again, I'll teach you. A से अनार, a pomegranate. A से अमरूद, a guava. A से आम, a mango. A से आग, a fire. E से इमली, tamarind. E से इमारती, इमारती. E से eat, sugarcane. E से ईसा, Jesus. U से उल्लू, an owl. U से उस्तरा, aerosol. U से ऊन, ulan. U से ऊंट, a camel. R से ऋषि, a saint. A से एड़ी, a hill. A से एक तारा, a musical instrument. I से ऐनक, spectacles. I से ऐरावत, elephant. O से ओकली, mortar. O से ओढ़नी, a veil. औ से औरत, woman. औ से औषधि, medicine. से अंगूर, grapes. से langur, and apple. Aha. Okay, children. Again, in the next class, we'll continue the next letter. Okay. Thank you, children.